Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your So Simple sewing machine for those who are requesting kung paano i-set up. I'll show you how today. Make sure na naka-plug yung dalawang saksakan dyan sa likod. So when you check the back, merong dalawang port siya. So this is for the foot pedal and for the power supply. And then, to start, set up muna siguro natin yung sewing thread. Okay? So, matagal ko na itong nabili. It's been a couple of months since June 22. And naubos na yung spool pin ko. Spool, this one. So, akala ko pwede ko pa siyang i-refill. Pero, I couldn't figure out how, and tingin ko hindi na, parang disposable na lang to. Kaya lang tinago ko pa rin kasi parang maganda siya just in case na gusto mong magbaon ng konting thread dyan. This one, ito yung ni-rewind ko, pero manually lang talaga, inikot ko lang sa kamay. So, I think there's nothing here that can make you rewind the upper thread. You're just going to wrap it around the spool pin, tapos dito ilalagay nyo yan, papadaanin nyo doon dito. Actually may guide naman so yan, number 1, tapos dadaan siya dito. So, napakadali na ng pagkabit ng thread. All you need to do is just follow the guidelines. There are steps in there to which you can insert the thread, and it's just very easy, and it's not gonna be that complicated. Para hindi gumalaw habang nananahi kayo, kasi minsan ang tendency niya dahil malapit lang siya dito, posible siyang mahulog and then mag-cause ng jam dito sa upper thread. So, what I usually do, ilalagay mo siya sa lapag. Okay? But if you have this parang thread holder, mas maganda sana. Kaya lang, I don't have that, so I just put it on the floor. I'm using cutout fabrics. Very soft siya. So, ayan, very soft. So, mga retaso lang siya, and I'm going to turn it into or make it scrunchy. Smooth naman yung tahi. So, I'm using the foot pedal. Make sure that you're sewing right sides together so that if you turn it, the right sides are showing up. Okay. Okay, so let's see the stitch. Ito yung stitch niya. I wish I could show you other patterns. Kaya lang, baka masira yung project ko kasi I want a straight stitch lang naman eh. So, for this one, yeah. I'm just gonna sew them up and then show you the finished product later. So, that's how it is. Dun sa mga tatanong ng tension dial, hindi ko na siya binago. I never changed it after receiving the package because the tension is already good. And I don't want to mess it up dahil medyo tight siya and that's what I want. Siguro for harder fabrics, maybe you need to adjust this one. But for the fabrics that I have been using, they're only soft. Kasi I noticed if you're going to use thick fabrics, the needle will bend a little, which is not so good. And of course, if you are using a bent needle, you'll notice that it will be difficult to sew, especially when I use this one. I use it the whole day, but I don't use this very often. Kaya lang when I am stocking this one, kasi I don't put it in the box already, so I make sure that this one is already always hiding para hindi rin siya mabebend. Kasi ewan ko, for me, I think this is breakable. So pag nakastock lang sa bahay, i-hide nyo lang siya and then patungan nyo na lang or takpan nyo na lang ng kahit anong cloth. Okay. So, ayun lang. Ang natutuwa lang ako dito sa nabili ko is marami siyang pattern. You can also make buttons para dun sa mga may projects na may buttons. Ito yung paggawa. Sa manual instruction, meron doon kung paano gawin. I've never tried this, so yeah, if I figure out how to do it, then maybe I would provide a tutorial. And then I also like this one, zigzag stitch, and this one, kung napanood nyo sa YouTube, how to serge without a serger. So no, nag-repair ako nag-repair ako ng mga pajamas ng anak ko. I tried this one and then a straight line afterwards. So press nyo lang, then automatically it will do the work. And then off if you just want to use your foot pedal. This one. And then if you want or nagmamadali kayo and then medyo expert na kayo, make sure na align yung fabric and then press this high speed. Pero hindi pa ako pro so I don't use it. Yun. So yun ang use ng L and then H. This L stands for low and then H for high. By the way guys, after you're done, you can just kung wala kayong, don't have any scissors, may cutter naman dito, so you can just cut it through here.